Are you tired of waiting for hot water in your home? The average American household wastes 20 gallons of water per day waiting for hot water. That's over 7,000 gallons of water per year wasted in your home alone. There are two ways to remedy this problem. In the average home, the hot water must travel from the water heater and across your home. If your bathroom or kitchen is the furthest from the water heater, you're waiting the longest for hot water. The first step to remedy this problem is number one, to install a small circulating pump at the base of your water heater. The second step is to make a connection at the furthest point away from the water heater and install a return pipe back to that pump. When the pump is plugged in, it slowly circulates hot water throughout your home and back to the water heater, so that when you turn on a hot water faucet in your house, you will have little or no wait time for hot water. This type of system can be installed in a partially finished or unfinished basement. If your basement is finished, then the solution for you is the Armstrong Astro Express system. The first step is to install a small pump on the hot water outlet of your water heater. The second step is to install a small brass bypass valve under the furthest faucet away from your water heater. When this valve senses a drop in water temperature, it opens, which allows the pump to push hot water through your system. When this valve senses the temperature has gone back up, it will close, which causes the pump to shut down. This system will give you virtually little or no wait time for hot water in your home. Call Anthony Plumbing, Heating and Cooling today to schedule a free in-home consultation to discuss both types of hot water circulation systems.